Hello students, good morning. Our today's subject is EVS and the topic is revision of lesson number 1 and 3. So let's start revision. Our first topic is life cycle of animals. So let's revise this topic. A hen sits on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chicks breaks the eggshell and comes out. Life cycle of a butterfly. Egg, caterpillar that is a larva, chrysalis that is pupa and adult are the four stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the milkweed plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage during which it lives inside the chrysalis. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid, and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Let's move to the next topic, that is storage of water. So let's see. Need of water. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Months of rainy season, that is June, July, August and September. Some rainwater flows away while some water seeps into the ground. Along with us, all living things use this water all year around. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That's why we have to save water. Old water stores, that is traditional methods of water storage. Wells, water tanks in fort, draw wells, rivers and bunds, old reservoirs, old tanks, all these are old water stores. Wells and water tanks in forts. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. People lived on the hill forts in the past. They also needed water. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Draw wells, that is art, and rivers and bunds. Draw wells were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot tied to a rope. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every wada. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across rivers to store their water. Old reservoirs and old tanks, that is haud. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. Earlier tanks were used to store water. Some of them are still in use. Let's say recent water system. First one is dam. The most important recent water storage is dam. Dams made it possible to store huge quantities of water. Borewells. Borewells are dug for the purpose to reach the water under the ground. Third recent water system is panpoi, that is drinking water stands. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered free of charge. This is known as panpoi. From all these pictures, we come to know water is very important part of our life. That's why we have to use water carefully. Percentage of water on the earth. From this picture, we come to know there is 71% water is available on the earth. But from this 71% water, only 2.5% water is fresh water. Means only 2.5% water is available for us. That's why we have to use water economically and carefully. Thank you.